how many hours a week? I mean, I think during the warm up phase, probably. Sorry, when you warm up, are you going to do it just through instantly, or going to do something else?
through instantly.
Okay, so then
It's an autopilot where it will do with the AI. Instantly has AI integrated, so it's an autopilot.
okay, got it. So remind me your rate again.
It's $7 per hour. It's on Upwork.
Cool. Hi there.
Hello.
How's it going?
Yeah, it's going good. How's it going, man?
Oh, it's doing all right. Nice background.
Where are you located? Where are you located?
Oh, I'm in San Diego, California.
San Diego, California. Okay, I'm from Bangladesh. I'm in Dhaka. I'm in the capital.
Nice. Very nice. Thanks for taking the time. It's a little late here, but I'm normally up working. So yeah, so let me just give you a quick overview about what we do. We are not sending cold email to sell anything. We're not marketing anything. Think of it like if you were trying to book podcast guests, to get people to do interviews. But we don't do podcasts. What we do is we create news publications on behalf of customers, and we turn essentially companies into the news. And what we do from there is we then reach out to people to get quotes. And those people just happen to be the prospects or the ICPs or the customers of the companies that we work for. So it's sort of same thing as like a sales motion, or the same thing as, cold outbound for sales or marketing. But instead of, like a BDR trying to sell someone or make them sign up for a demo, we're basically saying like, hey, we're doing an article about DeepSeek and how it's changing the AI landscape. You are an expert in the AI space. We want to interview you. That's essentially what we do. And then we feature their quotes in news stories. We have had a bit of an email outbound sequence. Motion in Smart Lead, basically pulling leads from Apollo into Smart Lead. It worked for a little bit. Our deliverability is suffering right now. It's not where it was. It's just getting more difficult. So we switched mainly to LinkedIn right now, which is working a bit better. But I want to get our email fixed. I want to increase our deliverability. We have existing domains. Some are old, some are new, and I'm picking up some new domains. So I kind of want to A/B test our existing infrastructure with new infrastructure as well.
Got it. Thank you for taking time and explaining that to me. So let me give you a brief rundown about my experience. I've been doing email marketing like for the last 6-7 years, and I've experienced with various kind of tools like Klaviyo, Mailchimp, Instantly, SmartLead. I was experienced with email deliverability when it comes to setting up the DNS record properly, the DMARC, PKI, MSPF to make sure the deliverability. And not only that, I can help you out with copywriting. But you just mentioned that you have already copywriting, so I can also help you out with that. And then once we are done with the setup, then we need to warm them up. Have you warm up the email account before you start sending emails?
Yep. Yeah, we some of our servers, we have a Mailreef server and Google and Outlook, and we warm up via SmartLead.
That's great. And when it comes to Apollo leads, did you verify them before you launched them?
Only using the verification tools that are new to SmartLead. Well, Apollo has some verification, but not using a third party, not using zero balance or anything like that. We have not done that.
So we need to use that as well, because I tried with other clients as well. If it depends on only Apollo verified, that's not going to work. The bounce rate is kind of high. So we need to use third-party software like Million Verifier, Reon. We need to use those things. That will reduce the bounce rate, okay? So what I can do for you, I can do the setup, as you mentioned, that you have already existing domain. Are you buying those email accounts directly from Google, or you are getting the reseller account?
Direct. So the domains are mostly in Namecheap, where we have the domain, and then I have not yet set up the mailboxes for the new accounts. The old accounts, it's a mix. Some are set up in Mailreef, some are set up directly in Gmail, some are Zoho actually, and then some are set up through SmartLead.
Okay. So when it comes to email accounts from Google Workspace, if you get it from Google directly, Google is charging around $7 for each email account. I don't know how many email accounts you need for right now. So if your target is to send 500 emails per day, in that case, we need 6 domain and 18 email accounts. And if your target is to send 1,000 emails per day, in that case, we need 12 domains and 36 email accounts. Okay. And in order to get that, if you are trying to get the email account from Google Workspace, Google will charge $7 US. But if you get it from a Google reseller, it will cost you only $3 for each email. That will save you money there. And I can help you to get the reseller account. I can do the setup. And once we've done that, then just on our process is to wait for like 14 days to warm them up. And then in the meantime, what we can do, we can scrape the leads from Apollo and verify them through our third-party tools. And once we are done, then work on the campaign with the copywriting. And after 14 days, we can launch the campaign. Now, when it comes to Apollo leads, you have the subscription or you're getting Apollo leads from someone else?
Subscription.
So I believe, are you paying $100 for 2,000 leads? Is something like that?
It's a relatively old account. It's actually 2 accounts. Their pricing is all over the place, but it's more or less that's the way, yeah.
Okay, so I can also help you to get Apollo leads in bulk. 10K Apollo leads, 10,000 Apollo leads only in $30. What you have to do, just go to your Apollo account. You just do the filters like job title, then location, your niche. Once you're done with the filters, just copy the URL, copy the link and pass it on to me, and I can scrape this exactly the same leads that you filtered. And it's gonna cost you only $30 for 10,000 leads. I can pull them from Apollo. And once we're done, then I can help you to verify that. I have the verified tool as well. If you get verified tool directly, Million Verifier is charging around $37 for 10,000 verification. So I can do that only in $15 for 10,000 verification. I can save money there as well. I have the tool. So that is what I can help you out with. When it comes to LinkedIn outreach, I have experience with Sales Navigator. I have used a couple of extensions in the past, like Octopus CRM, Phantom Buster. Those are the extensions I used in the past. You just give me the template, what I need to send to them. Just give me the niche, give me the target, what kind of people. Should I target any specific niche like financial advisors, health and wellness, med spa, something like that. Whatever your niche is. Then I will look for them on LinkedIn, and then I will reach out to them. I will send them connection request, and send them messages. And once they get back to us, I will definitely let you know.
For the LinkedIn component, when you do Phantom Buster, let's use Phantom Buster for example, is it our cookie, token login, or is it your account?
You want to like the subscription and give me the access, then I will do that. Yeah.
Got it. So then can we use something where there's more visibility? Expandy, Ducksu, kind of any of those, log growth machine, like the one reply, like the ones where we can actually see what's going on.
Yeah, sure, definitely, not a problem. The thing is that I didn't use that. Just give me, walk me through, and make a short loom for me. Then it will be easy for me to understand the process.
Are you a developer? Do you code?
No, I'm not a developer.
And for all of this work that you mentioned, is it you doing it, or you have a team, or how does it work?
Is it I'm doing it.
Okay, understood. Yeah, I mean, I think we're gonna write the copy, and pulling the leads or doing the lead list, generating the leads. I think it's a mix. It would be nice to maybe have some help there, but we can also do that as well. We'll probably clean the lead list. So I think, let's say that you pull the lead list, we'll probably filter through it once we have the contacts. We have like a CRM that we built internally as part of our tool that we have. So we'll probably do a good amount of filtering there, and then perhaps even via API, just connect back to. Do you like Smart Lead or Instantly? Better.
I love Instantly, actually. Instantly the most. Instantly has some extra features that Smart Lead doesn't have.
Okay. Yeah, we're in Smart Lead currently, but I think I want to diversify and maybe have the new emails in Instantly. So we have a little bit here, a little bit there, just in case something happens with one. So that's okay. Okay, sounds good. So remind me your rate again.
It's $7 per hour. It's on Upwork.
Cool. And how many hours a week? I mean, I think during the warm up phase, probably. Sorry, when you warm up, are you going to do it just through Instantly, or are you going to do something else?
Through Instantly.
Okay. So then
It's an autopilot where it will do with the AI. Instantly has AI integrated, so it's an autopilot.
okay, got it. So I think if we were to start, I mean, I can just do that ourselves internally, like, with our new domains, but the existing domains that we have, it would be nice to have you maybe go in and, start looking at them and seeing if there's some things like, there's a couple disconnections, maybe the DKIM gets wiped out, every 2 days or so. So that might be a good place to start while we're waiting for the new ones to warm up. I don't think there's really much that we need to do with that. We'll just like warm
What
them
about
up.
the email accounts? Have you created email accounts in Google Workspace already, or you want to create that?
Ah, yes, sorry, I forgot about that part. With the new domains, I have not. So yeah, I think that's something we can work on together too.
So you want to get it directly from Google, or you want to get a reseller account?
I'm fine with the reseller. That's fine.
Okay, then I need your Namecheap access. Just send me the contract first on Upwork, and then give me the Namecheap access. Are you on WhatsApp?
Uh, Not much. Are you in Slack?
Yeah, I use Slack. You can send an invitation on Slack.
All right, yeah, Slack is way better.
You need my email?
Yes, please. Oh, I don't see a chat. I guess this Zoom doesn't have a chat.
Give me a moment. We can use some crack over here. Yes, you can check out my name. I put my email there.
Got it. Upwork makes everything very difficult. All right, hang on one sec here. It doesn't want me to copy this, so I have to. Wonderful. Okay, I got that. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think this is definitely worth giving a shot.
Then send me a Slack invitation. You can send me the contract, and once you give me the Namecheap access, then I will start working on that.
Very well.
Okay, so it's been nice talking with you, and I'll be looking forward to that.
You too. Same. All right, have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, have a good day, man. Bye-bye.